Welcome to Kafa Technology. You are watching another new video. Today, we will see what are the important features of a premium quality cable and why we use such cables in our CNC machines. Copper braided shield and aluminum foil shield help in reducing external electromagnetic interference, or EMI. On the other hand, this common cable does not use any shielding layer like copper braided shield or aluminum foil shield, so it does not provide the facility to protect the signal from the effects of external electromagnetic interference, or EMI. Kafa Technology Premium Quality cable is made of 100% pure copper conductors, which helps in stable power transmission. As a result, the signal from the motor, controller, and sensor becomes more stable. On the other hand, this common cable uses ordinary copper conductor. Kafa Technology Premium Quality Cable is a fire-resistant design. It uses high-quality, fire-resistant insulation and a flame-retardant outer jacket, which helps to increase reliability in high-temperature environments. Due to its high flexibility, the cable is suitable for repeated movements. Therefore, it can be used reliably even in moving parts of CNC machines for a long time. This cable uses an industrial-grade outer jacket, which helps to provide additional protection from abrasion, oil, and general industrial environments on the outside of the cable. This Kafa Technology Premium Quality Cable is specially designed for heavy industrial machinery, ensuring long-term, reliable, safe, and stable performance. Thanks for watching.